Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Built in 2022 and move-in ready, make this 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage home located in a gate-controlled community an excellent option for your new forever home. Great floor plan with lots of pantry and closet spaces. The Sterling Hills neighborhood offers 2 community pools and a playground area. The 34,609 zip code is much sought after in the Spring Hill area, close to all shopping and hospitals plus quick commute to the Veterans Expressway and down to Tampa and Saint Pete airports. The backyard is partially fenced, just add your own side gates. VA assumable loan option. Make this your own Florida tropical getaway with great tourist attractions all nearby. Located on the west coast of Central Florida and just minutes from the Gulf of Mexico waters known for famous tarpon fishing, sponge docks, and scalloping. Did I mention all the one-tank trip options to places like #1 voted world-famous Clearwater Beach and Saint Pete Pier, Buccaneer Bay and Weeki Wachee Springs Water Park, home of the Mermaids with river access for kayaking and tubing? This area has miles of bike trails, horseback riding and motocross, and lots of golfing options nearby, plus all the US 19 shopping, restaurants and medical. Plus quick commute to Central Florida theme parks and Tampa area cruise ship ports, theaters, and museums, plus major league and college sporting events. Come live the Florida lifestyle.